For more videos, visit forthesakeofeducation.com.
Alright guys, this was a problem that says determine the stiffness KT of the single spring such that the force F will stretch it by the same amount S as the force F stretches the two springs. Express KT in terms of the stiffness K1 and K2. Now we have two sets of springs, the top one which is a single spring, so let's call it top, and I'm going to work with the top first. The top, the force developed by the spring at the top is equal to KT times S, and if you solve for S, you get that S is equal to the force developed by the spring over KT. Now if we work at the bottom with the bottom system of springs, you know that F1 is equal to K1 times S1, and F2 is equal to K2 times S2. S1 and S2 being the stretch of each of the springs. Now you know that S1 plus S2 is equal to S because they're both being stretched by the same amount. So with these two formulas, we're going to solve for S1 and S2. You get that S1 is equal to F1 over K1, and S2 is equal to F2 over K2. Now, as I said before, S1 plus S2 is equal to S. So when you replace the the S1 and the S2 in this equation for these values, you get that F1 over K1 plus F2 over K2 is equal to FSP, which is the force in the first spring, over KT. However, both of those forces are the same. F1, F2, and F spring are all the same, so they can all be called, let's call them F. F is equal to F1 plus F2. I'm sorry, F is equal to F1, which is equal to F2, which is equal to the force developed by the spring. Therefore, this is the same as saying F over K1 plus F over K2 is equal to F over KT. If you divide both sides of the equation by F to further simplify it, because as you can see we don't need F, the final formula that you get is 1 over K1 plus 1 over K2 is equal to 1 over KT. Final answer.
Please comment below if you want me to do any problems, and I'll be happy to help. Thank you.